Hi everyone, it's Rands Adventures. So we're on site, construction site for Universal Studios Great Britain. I just thought I'd come down, have another look, see what's going on. Basically, they've cleared a bit more work at the back there, and obviously they're working on the other side of the road as well. It's where obviously the future expansion bit will be, and obviously where they're going to store stuff. The main stuff is going to be across the road. The theme park's going to be from here until the bottom at Stewartsby, which is a bit further down. There's a road in between. The transportation hub will be at the bottom. There's a railway station just up here, but hopefully it'll be a bit further down. But there's not much going on. It's obviously this is private property, keep out at the minute. There is a car in there, but this is basically the land that they own now. So yeah, so hopefully it's going to go ahead, hopefully. Yeah, I'll quickly show you. So there's a car here, but you can see the land's been cleared a bit more. This house is still here, but it looks a lot bigger. But basically this is part of this land is going to be there, and the other side there is basically where the theme park's going to be, the other side of these trees. I can't get over there, but I'm going to try and go back down to pass. I'm going to try and go back down down to the station and see if I can get there as well. Or I'm going to try that middle road and see if there's anything I can get that's all goes in between the theme park. They're probably going to close that off, I would imagine, or it might be an access road or something for like staff or something like that. Basically, this is Kempston Hardwick Station. So basically, the theme park, the edge of the theme park, is going to be on the other side of these trees. Obviously, we can't see anything yet, but hopefully, we'll be able to see a bit more as it starts to go up and stuff. To start to clear stuff. Hi everyone. So I've come down to the other end, Stewartsby side, and basically this is where the car park's going to be, and obviously the theme park's going to be on the other side, so right down the other end. So this area, area here is going to be the car park, and then the other side at the back, right at the back of those, right at the back of the trees, is going to be where the theme park is. So all the way down, right the way over there. That's how big it's going to be. So it's going to, yeah, there's a blue marker right out there. Don't know what that's for, but hopefully it'll be really cool. Join us for any more updates to see what goes on, and hopefully, please God, it gets approved. Thanks for joining Rands Adventures. We'll see you next time.